Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Subaru Outback seats. First, gather your tools: a ratchet, appropriate sockets, and a trim removal tool. Always disconnect the vehicle's negative battery terminal before starting any electrical work to prevent accidental airbag deployment. Clear the area around the seats to give yourself ample space to work. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe removal process, protecting both you and your vehicle's electrical systems. Removing the rear seats is straightforward. Begin by locating the two bolts at the front base of the rear seat bottom. Once these are removed, lift the seat bottom firmly to release it from its retaining clips. Next, you'll find bolts securing the seat backs to the floor or side panels. Remove these bolts, then carefully lift and maneuver the seat backs out of the vehicle. Take your time to avoid scratching any interior surfaces during removal. Front seat removal requires a bit more attention due to electrical connections. First, slide the seat fully forward to expose the two rear mounting bolts. Remove these, then slide the seat all the way back to access the two front bolts. Before lifting, carefully disconnect all electrical connectors located underneath the seat. These typically power airbags, seat heaters, and power adjustments. With all bolts and wires detached, carefully lift the seat out of the vehicle, being mindful of its weight. When reinstalling your seats, simply reverse the steps you just followed. Make sure all bolts are tightened to the manufacturer's specifications and that every electrical connector is securely reattached. This is crucial for the proper function of airbags and other safety systems. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to upgrade your home cleaning, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Finally, always test all seat adjustments and safety features before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.